Hello guys, and welcome to the first of my Christmas gift guides 2020. Today I'm going to be talking all about the very best beauty gifts this year. If you haven't seen my Christmas gift guides before, I've been doing these for over 10 years now, and I basically have different categories. There's going to be 6 different videos this year. So there's going to be beauty gifts, gifts for her under £50, a luxury gift guide over £50 for her as well this year, a gift guide for him, stocking fillers, and then a kids gift guide as well. So I have spent a lot of time kind of researching and putting together the very best gifts that are available this Christmas, and hopefully I have something for every budget out there as well. So I'm starting off as per usual with the beauty gift guide, and in this I've really brought together some of the best kind of limited edition gifts that are available this year. My personal top picks, both in terms of value sets, but also things that I, having tried and tested a lot of different beauty products, things that I would really recommend, going from £15 budget all the way up to £400. So let's get started. Starting off with skincare, I have some lovely skincare gifts to show you this year from Aurelia, and Aurelia have actually really kindly sponsored this video. So if you want to get 20% off any of their Christmas gifts or their entire website, you can use my code as well, which is incredible because this brand is one that I have really fallen in love with this year. And for Christmas they've got some beautiful sets, and I feel like Christmas this year, obviously for obvious reasons, is going to be a bit more focused on staying in, a bit more focused on self-care, and you will see that in most of the gifts that I've picked out. There's a lot less makeup, a lot more skincare. So my 2 top picks, they actually have a lot of different gift sets from Aurelia this year, and it's a really lovely brand in terms of taking a bit of time out, kind of spa at home kind of vibes, and looking after yourself. My 2 favourites are this first one, which is the 3-step daytime routine, and this is £40 with a value of 84, so you get really good savings as well. I love the actual design on the packaging. So inside you have this beautiful gift box, and then everything is really nicely wrapped. This set is a really beautiful introduction to the brand. If you haven't tried this brand before, I absolutely love their skincare. If you're looking for something that is a little bit more natural but still effective, they're brilliant. So like I said, this set is £40 and it's a really good introduction. So you get the day moisturizer, the miracle cleanser, which is amazing, and the revitalize and glow serum, along with one of their cloths as well. So like a really nice kind of trial introduction to the brand. And then if you want to go a little bit bigger, this set is my personal favourite. So this one is the Clear Skin collection, and don't let that kind of make you think that it's more suited for acne prone skin, because to be honest, I love these products myself and that's not my skin type, and I think it's like, I feel like the name is not the clearest in terms of that, because these products are incredible for most skin types. So what you get in here is the CBD Super Serum, which is my personal favourite product from the brand. It's incredible, super hydrating, hyaluronic acid based serum with CBD oil in there as well. So it's actually CBD crystal isolate, which is, I mean, if you want to know more, head over to their website, but it's a lot more effective than the actual standard CBD oil. It's a really brilliant anti-inflammatory, so it is good if you do have acne prone skin, but it's also just amazing if you want really beautiful glowing skin. Love that. And then there's the Cell Revitalize Day Moisturizer and the Refine and Polish Miracle Balm, which is incredible. And this one is actually £90 with £153 value, and obviously you get the beautiful gift box as well. So I feel like those make lovely gifts, and like I said, if you want 20% off the entire Aurelia website, you can use my code for that. Next up is a set that I think is another really good value set, but also one that's got incredible products in it, and this is from Space NK. This is the best of Space NK, our Beauty Heroes set. I love the packaging. It's all recyclable packaging. Space NK have really gone all out this year when it comes to making an effort to make their packaging recyclable, which is brilliant. And then inside here you get just some really incredible products, and I feel like it's a very good mix of different brands and type of products as well. So you get the Sunday Riley CEO serum, which is fantastic, the Brazilian Bum Bum cream, which is also great. My personal favourite, Luxe Super Glow Hyaluronic Serum, which is awesome. Paula's Choice Peptide Booster. I actually haven't tried that. The Olaplex #3 hair mask, which is awesome as well. A smaller, like, deluxe sample size of the Hourglass Caution Mascara, which is excellent, and the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, which is also a classic. So this is £99 with a £222 value, so you get a lot for your money in that as well. I think it's a really nice set if you want something, again, like I said, about like self-care and kind of taking care of your skin. It's like a really nice skincare, body care kind of set, and you get really good value for your money as well. In terms of makeup, I absolutely love this set this year as well from Charlotte Tilbury. I feel like Charlotte Tilbury nails Christmas every year, but Pillow Talk especially, I feel like it's a shade and a whole range now that everybody loves. It's kind of like a universally flattering colour, and it's just really, really pretty. I'm actually wearing it on my lips right now. But in this, it's £40. You get the full-size lipstick, a mini lip liner, I believe that's a full-size, is it the collagen? Yeah, collagen lip bath, and then a mini version of Charlotte's lip jewels. So this is £40. I feel like that's a really good price point, and you're getting 4 different kind of variations on the Pillow Talk lip, which is a classic go-to every day. I feel like a lot of people won't be wearing so much makeup this Christmas, but a new lipstick really is a really nice kind of pick-me-up, and something that like you still use and wear regardless of if we're not seeing lots of people. So I think that's a great set and really good value for money as well. Another little kind of stocking filler beauty gift that I think is great this year is the Tan Luxe Super Glow Bauble. This is actually the same product that I just spoke about in the Space NK box set. It comes with a miniature version of the hyaluronic self-tan serum. It's £15, and if you want to try this product, it's a great way to try it before you buy like the full size. You will want the full size because it's amazing, but I just think this is a really cute little stocking stuffer. Love that. And then another smaller gift set on the skincare front is from Biossance. So this little duo is £19, but it's actually worth £48, so it's great value for money, and you're getting 2 amazing products in there. Biossance is a brand that I've recently discovered, and I love their products. So you get the miniature of the Squalane Vitamin C Rose Oil, which is beautiful, and the Squalane Lactic Acid Resurfacing Night Serum. 2 brilliant products, £19, really good gift, little skincare gift. Another thing that is not a set, well, it is a set because it's a 3-pack, but something that I think makes an excellent present to those who haven't discovered this product yet is the Face Halo Pro, more specifically the black one, so they don't stain so badly. These are so brilliant. They allow you to take your makeup off without any products and just with hot water. I am a complete convert to these. I discovered these a few months ago and I have not looked back since. And the 3-pack is £18, and I feel like this is something that if you give this to somebody as a gift and they discover this too, it's like one of those great discoveries. And I'm going to be giving these to a lot of people this Christmas because it's just passing it on. Another little skincare set that I think is really lovely. It's a little bit more expensive. So this is the Fresh Mini Loves set. It comes in this really sweet little travel bag, and it's miniature versions of 6 of their masks. I absolutely love Fresh as a brand, but their masks more specifically are just absolutely divine. So in here you get the Vitamin Nectar face mask, which is my personal favourite, the Sugar Face Polish, the Black Tea Instant Perfecting Mask, the Rose Face Mask, the Umbrian Clay Purifying Mask, and the Black Tea Overnight Firming Mask, which is more of an overnight, like night cream, but 6 incredible products, and it's £49. And just a lovely little kind of set, I think, if you are looking to give somebody a skincare gift. This is like a, if you've got your skincare routine down but you want some extra treats for masking, this is brilliant. Another set this year that I thought was such a clever idea and I absolutely love is from Selfridges, and this is their Project Earth beauty bag. It's £55, and inside here you get all sorts of eco-friendly and sustainable beauty products. And the reason why I love this so much, I feel like it's been a focus for me, but it's also been a focus for a lot of people, is discovering and starting to use more kind of sustainable, eco-friendly beauty products. A lot of the time it's discovering new brands that you don't know about. So what Selfridges have done here is really curate a collection of different sustainable brands for you to discover. So this would make a really great present for somebody who's just kind of starting to try and discover more sustainable brands. I'm going to go very quickly through what you get in here because there's a lot. So there's the Frankincense Divine Skin Concentrate. There is the Skin Sapiens Lip Balm. You get a Farron Amber Superfruit Face Milk. Lots of skincare in here. The Natural Deodorant Company Mini Deodorant. You get Summer Fridays Overtime Mask. You get a foamy 2-in-1 body bar. Again, everything in here, it's almost exclusively plastic free, and I think where it does have plastic, there it's recycled plastic. You get an Indie Lee essential body lotion. You get a Last Swab reusable cotton bud. You get a bamboo toothbrush, a face halo, yes. Just spoken about those. You get a Geo Organics natural toothpaste tabs, pot of those. You get a shampoo and conditioner from Fekai. This is the only plastic in there, and I'm pretty sure it's 95% recycled plastic. Actually, I lie, is this plastic? Yes. There's also a Ren clean jelly oil cleanser and some Dame organic tampons as well. So really has it covered in terms of all of your bathroom needs. I feel like it's a really good set in terms of like discovery and kind of new brands and sustainable brands. I thought that was a really lovely idea from Selfridges this year. Another set that I absolutely love and I think is so fabulous if you're looking for something a little bit more glam, a little bit more special, and just very luxurious, the Dior lipstick collection. So this is called their Golden Nights Rouge Dior Couture collection, and it comes in this reusable makeup pouch which looks like this. Absolutely stunning. I feel like Dior's Christmas collection every year is stunning, but this year they've especially excelled themselves. They did one of these last year as well, and it's a really clever idea. So you get a big mirror in here. The insert actually comes out so you can use this as a makeup bag afterwards, but you get one full-size lipstick and then you get 5 other refills for it in all different colours, and you can see the different colours here. These are actually not in terms of the colour of the ribbon. I don't find they're that accurate because it makes it look like they're all very red, but actually they're not. There's really beautiful nude, darker, rich kind of burgundy tones, and then brighter pinks and reds as well. So it's a really lovely different selection of lipsticks, and you also, the detail on them is absolutely stunning. So they all have this absolutely beautiful snowflake embossing. Really fabulous gift, and it's actually very good value for money as well, because individually these limited edition lipsticks go for £33 I believe, and the set with all 6 refills is £135. I think it's exclusive to Selfridges as well. I'll put links for everything down below so you guys can see, but that is the Dior set this year that I just think is fabulous. So moving on to a couple more super luxurious beauty gifts. The first one I wanted to include was the Current Body LED mask. I feel like this year is the year for stuff like this, because we're all going to be spending a lot more time inside, and just we can do things like this, and we're going to have the time to, I think. This is my actual personal one. I've had this for a few months. I absolutely love it. I am a big fan of LED treatments, both professional ones when I have facials, but also this allows you to bring that home. It's a really incredible red light LED treatment for your face, and you can also get the neck and décolleté version and look like a complete crazy person. But I notice real results from my skin when I use LED. I feel like it just makes my skin look so plumped and like just glowy and healthy, and I just absolutely love it. And it's also a really easy thing to do, 10 minutes, and then the next day your skin is just glowing. These are quite pricey, so I think the face mask on its own is around £2.50 at the moment. The price changes, they have various sales like throughout the year, but it's £2.50 at the time of recording this, and you can actually, there's a deal where if you buy both of them together you can get them for £400. So they are pricey, but in terms of treatment at home, like if you do LED light treatment in a salon, it often costs about like £30+ more on top of your facial. So a really good option to have if you're into your kind of skincare and you want to get that kind of treatment at home, which obviously we can't do at the moment. That's a really good option. Absolutely love it. And I also forgot to mention, of course, as per usual, as part of these giveaways, I am going to be doing my 12 days of Christmas giveaways over on my Instagram, and I will be giving away a set of the Current Body LED masks. So if you want to win that along with most of the other beauty products in this video as well, head over to my Instagram and follow me there, because I will be doing some incredible giveaways starting today, the day that this video goes up. And then last but not least, for beauty gifts this year, I did a collaboration with Jo Malone, and this video is actually not sponsored by Jo Malone, but I couldn't not include this as a beauty gift this year because I created my very own edit for Jo Malone, and it is just so divine. I wanted to share it on here as well. I'm hoping it's not sold out by the time this video goes live. It's launched the day that I'm filming it, and it goes up in a few days time, so I'm hoping it is still available. It is the Jo Malone Christmas stocking. So this is a special exclusive Christmas stocking with my edit of products inside. It's £163. But you get 3 full-size products in here. So the £163 is the retail value of just the 3 full-size products. Then you also get the stocking and you get 2 minis as well. So you are getting a little bit of a gift with purchase, which is very rare for Jo Malone to do that. Most of their Christmas gifts are just the RRP value of the products. They don't do kind of massive savings for their Christmas sets. So the 3 full-size products I chose to include a Dark Amber and Ginger Lily cologne, all-time favourite if you followed me for a while, the Orange Bitters candle, my absolute favourite candle from Jo Malone. It's quite literally smells like Christmas, and the Lime Basil and Mandarin hand and body wash, which is another staple favourite. That is just, for me, that scent, Lime Basil and Mandarin, just smells like Jo Malone to me. And then you get miniatures of both the Orange Bitters fragrance and the Lime Basil and Mandarin body creme, 2 absolutely gorgeous products, but also Orange Bitters for Christmas for me. I just absolutely love wearing it, and sometimes don't want the full size because I only wear it in the winter and then you're probably not going to use it all. Anyway, I chose the minis specifically with that in mind, and I'm super happy with the sets, and I hope you guys like it. So it's an absolute dream to collaborate with Jo Malone for Christmas, because nobody does Christmas like Jo Malone. It's like a real absolute treat, and one of the most perfect gifting brands, really. So this is the stocking. It's satin and velvet. I cannot wait to hang it on my mantelpiece this year. It's so nice. So yeah, that is my gift set for Jo Malone. If there are still some available, I will link that below as well. And that is it for my beauty gift guide video this year. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you watch out for my other gift guides, which are coming every few days for the next few weeks. And like I said, if you want to win some of these beautiful goodies that I've shown you in this video, then head over to my Instagram. I absolutely love doing these videos every single year, mostly because I love doing the giveaways, and I just genuinely, gift giving for me at Christmas is one of my absolute favorite things. I love hunting for gifts, I love buying gifts, I love giving gifts. And I'm just really excited to be able to do some really extra special giveaways for everybody this year, because it's been a bit of a rubbish year, hasn't it? Let's face it. So yeah, Christmas isn't cancelled though, guys. We can still get festive. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next gift guide. Bye.